So before we started doing our exterior walls, we went through and we marked out all of our interior walls. We usually don't do this. This is kind of a new thing that we did this time for this house. But we can see exactly where every wall butts into our exterior walls. So for example, when we go to do the green plate and our top plate and our wall, and we go to do our layout, we'll know exactly where this is going to line up, where we're going to want our studs. We marked out our doors, we marked out our windows. Big 6-foot window here, but we marked it out so that when we go to do that layout, we can have our studs exactly where we want them to be at. We'll see how it goes. If it goes well and it makes things easier for us, because typically we usually do our layout and we have our plans out and we're trying to line them up as we're looking at our plans. But with this, we're going to be able to have these lines for after our walls are up and our trusses are up, and we'll be able to use them. I mean, we're going to be doing this either way at one point, so we'll be able to eliminate that step at that point if we were just doing it right now. And we'll be able to get everything exact, and we won't be jumping from wall to double check everything. So we'll see how it goes. If it went well, we'll do it again for sure.